A prepping zone in a kitchen. The prep zone would be your cold prep. So it needs to be away from the hot line. The furthest you can get it, the better, but that's where your refrigeration, that's where your salad prep, that's where your desserts take place. So in a cooking zone, refrigerated product is a no-no just because of all the heat. If I have refrigeration and it brings it up 5 to 10 degrees, those doors on a prep line are fine because you don't have the heat. But if I'm open refrigeration on my cooking zone, every time I may lose 10 degrees. So if I come in there during a shift, my food is probably set in a temperature danger zone for hours. The cleanup zone in the kitchen. The cleanup zone is, it's always in the very back of the house. What I say, it's all the way back to the back door. But here's why that's important. That is also where your mop closet goes, and that is where all your chemicals are stored. So be safe, be clear, keep it in the back. The put away zone. Yeah, most of you probably don't even know what that is because getting put away is a tough part of your day. The groceries show up during the middle of lunch. Where do they go? That is why you have a put away zone. We want that zone free from any foot traffic. So if I have dry goods, paper storage, or refrigeration, I have to have clear lanes throughout the kitchen. So everything must have its own zone. The perishables also have a zone inside the walk-in.